So, how many of you know about organic makeup? Does organic makeup really exist? Are there really some makeup brands whom we can call they are truly organic, or are these brands are just playing some marketing gimmick on our minds by saying the products are organic? So, actually, why I'm making this video, let me give you a little backstory. One of my follower wanted to know about an organic blush, which any non-makeup lover can use, or a cheek tint will also work for her. And when she asked me this question, I thought it will be very easy for me to recommend her. And I went on Nykaa and I searched few products. But before I recommended her any of the product, I thought to do a little deep dive. So I thought let me just check the ingredients and be sure that whatever I'm recommending her is the what she's looking for. Clarify one thing, when I am selecting any makeup product for myself, the first thing on the basis of which I select the product is the performance, and then other factors keep on adding into it, like what's the price point, what extra value this product is giving me, like is it good for my dry skin type, and all those things. So for me, the first thing is the product performance. But if somebody is specifically looking for an organic makeup brand, how you can be sure that the product is completely organic? And when I deep dive into the ingredient of different organic blushes, which I searched on Nykaa, what I found out, I will be showing you the same thing, so that if you want to buy any organic makeup product, you should know what should be your checklist and how you can be sure. I'm taking you on my screen. So, as per Google, organic makeup is made up from the ingredient that are grown organically without the use of synthetic chemicals. Next, here is certification. Organic makeup must be certified, and the packaging of the product has to be recyclable, biodegradable, and the production thing. Organic makeup is produced using processes that respect the environment and human health. I'm on my Nykaa screen right now. I searched for organic blush, and here I have few of the brand option popping up in this category. Some of the brands are here are the ones who has the word organic in their brand name. Now, first thing first, I will not pick up an organic product based on the brand name, but many of people will do this mistake. They will think if a brand is using a word organic, they will be having organic product, and that is the first thing which you need to correct about yourself. Do not select the product on the name, just on the basis of the brand name. Okay, be sure about it, what are the ingredient. Now, how you can be sure about it, and how I checked the ingredient list of all these blushes so that I can recommend my follower a true organic blush. So the first blush which popped up is Ruby Organics 2-in-1 Cream and Highlighter. When I went down to the ingredient list, I just simply copied these ingredients and pasted them ingredient analyzer website. There are many websites, you can use any, and then let the website do the work for me, and they analyzed all the ingredient. And while I was checking the ingredient list, I was all okay, their ingredient looks good. When I'm going down in the ingredient list, it says it may contain some other iron oxide. You can see it gives red and pink hue to the product. Now there's another one which give darkness to the shade, and these are the things which is making me worried. If the product is completely organic, from where it is getting the color, it's not been specified properly, because these color and you are saying may be present, are they organic or synthetically made, it's not mentioned. Looking at Earth Rhythm ingredient list, they have the star marking done, and there is 1-star marking and double star marking. 1-star marking ingredient are EcoCert organic approved. EcoCert India give certifications for organic products, and wherever you see double star marking, those ingredients are naturally derived. So here, if you look at the ingredient list, you will see the double star marking done on titanium dioxide and iron oxide. But what about the red 28 lake, red 33 lake, and yellow 5 and red 6 color? No 1-star and double star marking are done on these colors. I would also like to show you the Skin Soft ingredient list analysis, and this is another cosmetic colorant which is a synthetic dye that comes from coal or tar source. Due to this, it is often used in a very small quantity, and I can understand it's very low in the ingredient list, might be used in a very less quantity, but as per this website, this is a synthetic dye. And again, I'm referring to the Google definition about the organic makeup product, that organic makeup product has to be free from synthetic dye and all other kind of harsh chemicals and all. We also have another brand here, which is RV Organic Lip and Cheek Tint. This brand is out of stock at Nykaa, but I just want you to look at the ingredient list. Here, they have not even bothered to give us what coloring agent they have used. Some wax and some oil names are mentioned over there. So, this is completely off my list. K Beauty Velvet Dream Blushes. I don't know why this one is showing up here in the organic category, but let me just check the ingredient. And they have also written only green tea extract. I don't know where is the complete ingredient list. I'm not done with my research yet. There are other brands like Lotus Organic, again lip and cheek tint. They are showing the photo of a beetroot, so we can have that feeling that we are getting the beetroot, and their ingredient is like shea butter and beetroot oil. I don't know if they have made the blush with only these two ingredients. If they have made it with these two ingredients, then it's awesome, but again, I am little doubtful. Also, one more thing, because they have not even clarified are their ingredients are certified the way Earth Rhythm has done. They have mentioned that their organic ingredients are certified, which give a value of trust. Okay, this brand is saying that their ingredients are certified, so we can trust them. Here they are using the word organic as their brand name, but nothing is being revealed about the ingredient and all. And here come the Just Herb. I want to draw your attention to this brand's ingredient list as well. And when we are going down here, we are seeing a lot of cosmetic color pigment. Now the first one is iron oxide, which gives red pink hue to the product, and many people doesn't like it. Here it is mentioned disliked by users. There are so many other coloring agent, as you can see, mentioned here, which can be present here. This is a synthetic red pink dye. Okay, just her product, they have written it may contain these pigment, but they have not mentioned which another coloring agent they have used from where their blushes are getting the color, which is making me think, do I want to buy this or not? More brands like this as well, for which you can do the same exercise. Just copy the ingredient, go to Google, search for the ingredient analyzer, paste the ingredient over there. Wherever you see these kind of numbering, titanium dioxide and red lake, yellow lake, or the colors iron oxide, or some of these numbers mentioned, just copy the number and search it, if it's synthetic, organic, man-made, what it is, so that you have an idea what you're getting in the product. Now the question came here from where I started the video, that I have to recommend an organic blush to one of my subscriber, one of my follower. Until now, whatever I am looking at have some sort of pigment in them, which I have the feeling is not organic. Like they are not meeting the standards which are given in the definition of an organic makeup product. Either they have some synthetic dye or some man-made. Are they natural? Are they organic? It's not been clarified properly. While doing the same research, I came across now this brand, which is Forest Essential, and I saw their tinted lip serum, and I thought, okay, this can be also used as a blush. Let me check their ingredient list as well. And I was surprised to see their ingredient list, because this lip serum come in 10 different shades, and they have complete different ingredient list for every single shade. And I was surprised and amazed at the same time, because this is what I was looking for. Because here, if you see, none of those numbers are mentioned. Okay, we can see different ingredients. I am nowhere seeing the thing like iron oxide or titanium dioxide or may contain this number of pigment and all. Everything, all these ingredients like licorice extract or ananthamul extract, arjuna bark extract, beeswax, and so many other things which are being used to made these lip tinted serums are mentioned. And all these ingredients, I can say, okay, they are all natural ingredients. And luckily, I also have this tinted lip serum, because at Nykaa I played a game and won this one, and I have not even opened it till now. I was doing the research of this video and realized, okay, I have this product, let me open it up. I tried it also. I'm talking really fast, so sorry for that. But the thing is, in the packaging here, on the back side of the packaging, let's just talk about ingredient first, because that is what we are talking in this video. They have all the active ingredient mentioned here. We have the complete ingredient list, and most of the ingredient, more than I can say 90% of the ingredient used in these lip serums are organic. So I thought this will be the organic brand, because they are using most of the ingredients organic. But when I checked on the packaging, they have not used the word organic, they have used the word natural makeup, and which made me understand the term organic makeup can be natural, but all natural makeup can't be organic. So this Forest Essential lip serum contain a lot of organic product, but maybe some of the ingredient are natural, maybe they are not organic, but they are natural, because everything here in the ingredient list is natural ingredient and nothing is synthetic here. Or I can say, if you actually want to go for an organic brand, then you can go for the Forest Essential one. That's all for this video, and now I have a organic blush recommendation for my follower. Let me share it with her, and thank you so much for watching.